Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you AllTrails how to add a trial. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is download the AllTrails app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up the app, and once you open up the app, what you need to do is log into your account. Now if you don't have an account, simply create one and then log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here what you need to do in order to add a trial is simply tap on the option that is saved right here, and once you're inside there you will find the option like list, spots and downloads, and under list you'll find the option that says my maps right here. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here in order to create a trial, what you need to do is simply tap on this three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll find the option that says create map right here. Simply tap on that. Once you're here, all you gotta do is just select the endpoint or just simply select a trial, and then once you do that, all you gotta do is tap on save and then give it a name. And once you saved it, that's basically how to add trials. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.